Hi friends, welcome to the video. I'm gonna be reviewing the barbecue grill set that I recently bought. I did a lot of research to see the one that I thought would be good for me, and I finally decided to buy the Hy-Tec grill set. You get skewers, 5 of them, and yeah, they look strong, good. And you get those steel grills on the top, which looks pretty okay. And finally the box where you put the coal inside. It comes with a foldable stand, not very easy to open. You need to open on both ends, but it is okay. It looks good. And the inside also looks okay, but I suggest you put a foil paper inside and then put coal over it so that there's no damage to the paint and things like that. This box at this corner a little bent and look damaged, but otherwise I think the box looks decent by itself. Yeah, and the stands come in pretty handy when you have to move the coal box when it's still hot, because they don't get hotter. Yes, this looks good, and this is the top angle view. Thanks for watching the video, friends. Suggest you go through the options available and then choose the one that suits your requirement. I will leave a link of all the products in the description. Kindly check those.